Dyson Purifying Fan Heater projects purified air to heat or cool you. In auto mode, the LCD screen shows you which airborne pollutants have been detected in real time. In cooler months, you can set your desired room temperature, and your machine will maintain it while still purifying the air. During warmer months, switch to fan mode for powerful personal cooling. And when you'd like purified air without feeling the airflow, you can redirect it through the back of the machine by switching to diffused mode. The machine can rotate up to 350 degrees to deliver heated or cooling purified air to every corner of the room. And for a comfortable night's sleep, nighttime mode activates the machine's quietest settings and dims the LCD screen. The Dyson Link app gives you even more control. Use it to monitor indoor and outdoor pollution levels. See what's been detected and when. Schedule purification and heating to suit your day. And even see how many hours of filter life you have left. Changing filters is easy. Simply press down the side buttons to access the appropriate filter and replace it. The machine will confirm your new filter is ready to use, so you know the air in your home will continue to be purified effectively.
Being safe is very important to us. So when we were looking for a home security system, we were looking for one that had high definition cameras.
Something that didn't have a lot of wires.
And cameras that we could put up discreetly throughout the house. And when we found Arlo, the choice was a no-brainer. Installation was very simple.
Because it doesn't require any cords, we can get creative about where we put it. We can just move them to keep an eye on our baby.
You have the batteries that are long-lasting, so I can have it installed outside. You get email alerts, and it works with motion sensors. When we go on vacation, we always know that we can stay connected and know what's going on with the house. So Arlo gives us peace of mind at work and at night. Arlo has definitely made an impact in our lives.
It's really made being safe simple.
Meet the Philips Hue Sensor, the easiest way to bring hands-free automation to your setup and take your lighting game even further. With the Hue Sensor, you're getting automatic on and off control, so when motion is detected, it will trigger the lights to turn on, and then when motion is no longer detected, it will trigger the lights to turn off automatically. There's also an integrated daylight sensor, which is perfect for those who tend to forget to turn off lights. What this is going to do is help ensure that lights are turned on only when needed, and that's going to translate to saving energy by turning off the lights that aren't being used. Alongside the Hue sensor, you get the mounting accessories, but what's awesome is that it's both battery powered and completely wireless, which makes installation crazy simple. Because of this, you're able to place this pretty much anywhere in your home. You can mount this to a wall, a ceiling, or even a side table, but what makes this extra unique is that it also attaches magnetically. Now on top of that, you have full control and can adjust the Hue sensor, so no matter where you place this, you can dial in the perfect angle. Now to get started with the Hue sensor, simply open up the latest version of the Hue app. In the accessory setup page, go ahead and select the Hue motion sensor, and then here it's going to remind you to make sure you pulled out that plastic strip, and in turn you should be seeing a blinking LED, so if you haven't yet, make sure you do that. And then from there, go ahead and tap that LED icon, wait a second for it to connect, and then from there, simply assign the Hue sensor to a room, and that's it, you are good to go. From there, you can see by default, the Hue sensor will trigger clean and crisp white light, and then at night there's a night light mode which eliminates those blue tones that keeps you awake, so just in case you do gotta get up, you'll be able to easily fall back to sleep. You do of course have full control to adjust the times, the scenes, and then both daylight and motion sensitivity so you can dial in the perfect settings. So now that you're set up, enjoy it, have fun, because how awesome is it gonna be when you come home, maybe your hands are full, but you walk through your door and your lights turn on automatically, all without ever flipping a switch.
Say hello to Wemo Dimmer, the smart dimmer that makes your life truly comfortable. The Wemo Dimmer is versatile. Control it like a regular switch. From the Wemo app, or give power to your voice.
Turn on movie lighting.
You can also set schedules to make your life easier. And protect your eyes at night with night mode. Or get your home vacation ready for peace of mind with Away Mode.
Turn off the bedroom.
Add smartness and connectivity to your home with a powerful mesh Wi-Fi router that also works as a SmartThings hub. SmartThings Wi-Fi delivers an optimized Wi-Fi signal to every corner of your home and connects to a wide range of compatible devices so they can work together. Using Plume's adaptive home Wi-Fi technology, SmartThings Wi-Fi improves in real time, giving you the fastest connections possible. No more dead spots, slow spots, drop-offs, or buffering. SmartThings Wi-Fi expands with your needs, giving corner-to-corner coverage up to 4,500 square feet, and understands which devices need the strongest signal. So there's always Wi-Fi where you need it most. Make SmartThings Wi-Fi the brain of your smart home when you set it up as a SmartThings hub. Connect with cameras, lights, locks, thermostats, sensors, and more. SmartThings Wi-Fi is simple to install and easy to use. Monitor, control, and automate your smart home from anywhere with the SmartThings app or voice assistants. Personalize who gets on your Wi-Fi network for how long and what they can do. Measure the speed of your connections, create schedules for when devices can access the internet, and much more. SmartThings Wi-Fi. Add smartness and connectivity to your home